As we speak right now, in the pre-market of the 21st of June 2021, Torchlight Energy Resources is up nearly 42%. This is what's going on. You can see that up 41.95%. This is the daily model. The stock is currently at $8.89, trading above its volume weighted average price. All the moving averages, the 10 to the 200, are very much bullish. Their slopes are looking up, and they also have the slopes also have they are all positive, and it's extending seriously. This is what's going on live in this pre-market. It's now up 42.11% based on the daily model, not even the 1 minute model. This is the 1 minute model. So let's check the pre-market, the post-market. This is what's going on live. It's yet to reflect that. It's going to reflect that very soon. Okay, it has now retraced down to 40.51%, and according to Yahoo, the number of hedge funds that are involved in Torchlight Energy has increased by 3 to now 4. So they have four hedge funds invested in Torchlight Energy, and we have about one more trading session for market participants to get involved with the major deal. Get involved, and you're probably going to benefit from the $25 dividend, I believe. So this is what's going on right now. This is this 1 minute model for some reason is not reflecting that, but we're just going to return to that daily model, which is a better reflection of what's going on. You can see that this is by far a better reflection. For some reason, it's not. It's doing better than the 1 minute model. You can see what's going on. We're looking at 40.074 million shares that have crossed the tape so far. You can easily see that the MACD is above the signal line and rising. So some of the comments on stocktwits is that some people they are alleging that people are comparing Torchlight Energy with AMC. Well, people can do any comparisons. So, but what we're looking at right now is definitely an extension for Torchlight Energy, up 41.31% in this pre-market session, extending. But the momentum is slightly waning at the moment. So let's see if we can return and see what's going on with Torchlight on the 1 minute model. This is the 1 minute model. It's a right at the moment reflection. The other one is the daily model. It just shows you. It's also live as well. You can see that the chart was live, and you can see the line was extending and active. But this is just what's going on based on the 1 minute model. It's only just a few seconds ago. So, but it's currently not reflecting that at the moment, but it will do so. This is based on how this application was configured. Just there's some delay going on there, but we can all see that. We can still see the same figure, 41.95%. So let's see how things are going to pan out. Let's check this, whether it's going to change anything. Let's uncheck this, uncheck this, uncheck this. The pre-market actually hasn't opened yet in the US. It's still very much in the post-market. So we're not getting anything so far. So let's return to the daily model. The daily model is reflecting it very well. You can see very, very far away from its moving averages at the moment. So there's a good chance, there's a short squeeze involved in what's going on here on Torchlight Energy. There's a good chance. So Torchlight Energy up 41.31%. Are you getting involved with what's going on with Torchlight? Let's see what the readout says here on Charles Schwab. It says it appears to be in a strong bullish trend. 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above zero and rising. It's outperforming the S&P 500. Okay, but still has a volatility of 156.11% over the last 10 days. Yes, obviously, of course, it's merging with metamaterials very soon. Let's see what's going on with that ATF metamaterials. Metamaterials is equally extending as well. This is the pre-market, or rather, it's very much bullish. Very much bullish. Sorry, this is the daily model. Let's look at the 1 minute model and see what's going on. Let's see. Well, nothing's going on here for metamaterials. So let's return to TRCH, Torchlight Energy. We're still not getting any signals, any graphical changes for Torchlight based on this 1 minute model. So let's go ahead and return to this daily model and see what's going on. So this is where it closed at. So very soon it will reflect. You can see that it has now reflected that. So this is the extension we are looking at right now, 41.47% for Torchlight. You can see we have 4.202 million shares so far that have crossed the tape in this post market. The pre-market is yet to resume in about 40 minutes. It will resume, so we're still in the post market. So let's see what there are a couple of news out there. There's some Yahoo Finance covered a lot, with concerning Torchlight. Some news out there, their own analysis, their take on what hedge funds are doing. They're asking whether they'll get bond with their investment in Torchlight. See, it's now up 42.11%, currently at $8.9. Currently has a market cap of 9.11 million, 145.3 million shares outstanding. Let's see whether we can get the short figures for Torchlight. Okay, 12.62% are sold short. Yes, this is the short interest. That is as it concerns the shares and the options, but this will give us what is the figure for the shares itself. You can see as at the 18th it was 47.39%. So this is a fraction of that short interest. This short volume is a fraction of the short interest. So Torchlight has just slightly retraced now to 41. Okay, still very much, 41.47% extension. So, well, in any case, just be careful if you want to get involved with Torchlight. I know it is still very much trading in single figures. Just know what you're doing. Be careful. There's a good chance this is a short squeeze, for no doubt about that. It doesn't have to have options to be a short squeeze, I believe. So let's see whether it has options. It mustn't have it. It must not have it. Let's see what's going on. Whether we will get any figures concerning options. I think we better use this application to see whether we can get the options. Whether they're trading options. I think it should be trading options. Okay, it's yeah, it is because the involvement of hedge funds may usually lead to such a thing. Usually stocks that has the involvement of a lot of prominent investors are likely to have options, and it does have it. We're just having a memory problem in this. Okay, so in any case though, just be careful if you're really trading. If you are trading Torchlight energy, just know what you're doing. Be careful and don't put all your money in it. It's extended and rising. Just as much as you can, always diversify your portfolio. And let's get going. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.